Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Investors and Traders Club. So these are the three stocks from equity I'm gonna suggest you to watch out for this week. So the first one is Glenmark. So you can see the time frame here over 1 hour, and you can see the chart. See, there was a resistance level over 538 and there was a support level which is carrying lower lows. You can clearly see it. Now the price is at near resistance level over here, so that's why I'm gonna trade this. So simply as to describe this stock, why I'm suggesting you, so you can see here the resistance which is triggered and kept to support, and then another resistance, and the price fell again to support level lower low, and again third one, and the price fell lower low. Now it was the fourth resistance level which is, and I am thinking about that the price goes to again support level. This is clearly in a sideways market, so that's the main reason I am suggesting you this. So you can also see the price range from different support level and resistance level. See 8%, over here 10%, and over here you can see clearly up to 13%. So in approximately this week you can have the price triggered in this week. So the price range, you can also see the another thing that I am suggesting you is also, you can see the confirmations over here. It was triggered and it was in a downtrend. The trend reversal was already started, so that's why I am shorting this position. Yeah, you can short over here right now, and you can keep a target up to minimum target at 50 points, and you can keep a stop loss above this level. Yeah, the risk reward is good. You can also trade this. So this is the first equity I'm gonna recommend you. You can keep the target, or you can wait for the confirmation over here also. If you can wait, you can trade it good. So these are the buy price and sell price I'm gonna suggest you. So do sell it. Right now the market is on, so 24 points. If the target hits, you can have a 51 points. So the risk reward is 2 points. You can check that. Yeah, this is the first equity call, and the second one is Tata Motors. See, this is a breakout channel pattern. You can see, yeah, this is a support, this is a sideways range, you can clearly see, and this was a range from around, this has a range, price range from, it took approximately 49 days for movement of 9% up and down, support and resistance, the wow between them. So you can see over here the breakout of red confirmation, so that's why I'm suggesting you this to trade now. So the price gonna move from like here to here, maybe in a 1 month, or maybe it gonna reach today. So do watch it, do short it. You can short over the price now. This was a good range to short the price, so the target is 120 points, and you can keep a stop loss above this level, 19 points. So the risk reward would be 6.2. you can see the price range. So here you can also keep the wait a sec, yeah, the target would be 127, which is 6.69 risk reward. And if you want to, you can keep a keep a stop loss of minimum 27 points. Still you have 4.6% in risk reward. So this is a buy call, short call for Tata Motors. You can see that. So do short this also for this week or upcoming week for a huge target. So these are the buy prices you can see, so go for it. And the third one is Birlasoft India. So this is a stock which is in a sideways range also. So you can clearly see this stock in a channel pattern. Yeah, channel pattern. Yeah, right here, these are the points where it been from support. These are the resistance levels you can see, and these are the support levels over here and over here and over here. So the price range is nearly up to over here. So you can see the support resistance over here, the war between the buyers and sellers, which is we can also call as support and resistance. So here you can clearly see that here the green was confirmed but didn't give a double confirmation. So the price again retraced over here and again pull back, and here it gave a confirmation and again it gave a retracement now. So right now it is a time for buying for huge amount of trading. So you can go long on this. The target is you can even go for long term over here, so that's a good thing to go. So you can, if you get the if you get in this week up to 5 to 6% or 10%, then you can book profits. That it could be a good to make some profit in 3 to 4 days. So that's the reason I am suggesting you this one. So do watch it also. If you want to go long on any stock that you want, please go. So these are the 3 calls I'm gonna suggest you to trade for now. So you can keep a stop loss also for below 462. The risk reward is also huge for this one, for this one. So go for it. Today also it's in a positive way. It is in a 3%, 3.5% move. So these are the 3 equity stocks I'm gonna recommend you. So do trade if you have watched any momentum or it is like to your patterns, something like that. So go for it. So thank you for watching this, guys. If you like this video, please do smash the like button and comment what you liked, and please share it to your friends and family who are interested in stock market and want to know how to trade and how to learn it. And also don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more notifications from this YouTube channel of investors and traders. And once again, thanks for watching this. Keep investing and trading.